Now I'm gonna work on this door. I'm gonna see if this window regulator is good. I'm gonna show you how to do that right now. So I've just got the other side of the plug that goes in here. See, I've got it stripped back. I'm just gonna use my battery right here. We got positive and negative. All right, so I've got it plugged in, the green one plugged in because that'll make it go down. And then we're gonna ground out the red just right here. Boom, that works great. Okay, so that's how you do that. Too easy, we're done. Now we can take this apart. This will be out in just a matter of minutes. All right, so to take this window regulator out the rest of the way, we got 10 millimeter right here, 10 millimeter right here. This nasty rusty guy down here. We got these three. 1, 2, and then the third one right here. Bam. All right, so that's out. Now we just have to loosen this. Gonna need a flathead screwdriver, and I don't have a hammer, so we'll just use a rock and knock that loose. All right, bigger rock in 2 hands. We've got these free, so they'll loosen right up. Now the window is disconnected from the regulator, and we can pop this guy out. I'm gonna need more clearance up here, so you don't get the window back up. All right, we earned it, but there's our window regulator out. The cord's all look in good condition. We tested it. It works. I don't know what happened right there. It's not preferred. What's up, boys? We're back at the junkyard. You know, I can't stay away when we got a brand new project car and we need to harvest this car for parts as much as we can, because last time we were here, this row was here, so now it's gone. This is probably next. Need to go ahead and grab whatever else we're gonna grab off of here. I was hoping I could save some of this door panel, but it's so bad. So bad, I don't think I need these. I don't know, man. We got one other car. Let's go check what's the remaining of that. But this car's been so worked over, there ain't much left. It's about time for her to give up the ghost. So I'm gonna go back and see if I can get this trim piece off. Just need to disconnect there. Hopefully this guy does the trick. And we'll do one last swoop to see if there's anything worth saving. All right, guys, so I've got was able to get that panel piece off. I grabbed this one too, and they were good. They're easy to come off. I feel like they're gonna be worth a little something. All right, if you know anything about these cars, the door actuator right here is a very sought after part, and I was gonna pull it, but I don't have all the tools. It requires a couple torques, so hopefully I'll be able to come back and get these. What I am gonna do is cop this hinge right here. So I'm gonna take this door off. All right, say goodbye to this car. I don't think we need anything else. I was gonna grab the bumpers, but I don't know. Just might be a lot of work. Just should probably paint the ones I have. This is our haul of stuff. I don't even know if I'm gonna keep this. It's so bad, but let's go check out that other one again. All right, just quickly back at the other one. I don't think I'm gonna be pulling anything off of this. I'm getting about had enough. A little bit of this goes a long way. And got 2 door hinges and 1 motor left on both of the regulators. Might come back for them. But that's it. This is about the same shape we left it. Maybe something with the transmission. I think that's it for the junkyard hunting today. Let's go.